Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a group of animals who were the best of friends. Among them were Billy the bunny, Danny the deer, and Larry the lion. They loved playing together and going on adventures in the beautiful forest that surrounded their village. One sunny day, as they were exploring the forest, they stumbled upon a deep, mysterious cave. Curiosity sparked within them, and they decided to venture inside. Little did they know that their decision would teach them an important lesson about friendship. As they ventured deeper into the cave, the darkness became overwhelming. They couldn't see each other anymore and started feeling scared. Suddenly, a loud growl echoed through the cave, causing them to freeze in fear. It was Larry, the brave lion, who mustered the courage to speak up. "Don't worry, my friends, I'll protect you. Stay close to me." Billy the bunny and Danny the deer held on to Larry's mane tightly as he led them forward. His roars echoed off the cave walls, creating an illusion of safety. However, Larry couldn't see where he was going, and soon they found themselves in a dead end. Panic filled their hearts. Feeling guilty, Larry said, "I'm sorry, my friends. I wanted to protect you, but I've led us astray. I shouldn't have let my pride get in the way." Billy, the clever bunny, spoke up. "It's not your fault, Larry. We all made the decision to enter this cave. Let's work together to find a way out." They decided to combine their unique strengths. Danny, with his keen sense of smell, guided them towards the cave entrance. Larry, using his powerful roar, created a trail of sound that helped them navigate through the darkness. And Billy, with his small size, squeezed through narrow passages to find alternate routes. With their teamwork, they discovered a hidden passage that led them back to the entrance of the cave. They rejoiced and realized that true friendship and cooperation are stronger than any individual's strength alone. As they emerged from the cave, they promised never to let their pride cloud their judgment again. They learned that in times of uncertainty, relying on each other's strengths and working as a team was the key to success. From that day on, Billy the bunny, Danny the deer, and Larry the lion remained the best of friends. They shared their adventure with the other animals in the village, spreading the valuable lesson of friendship and teamwork to all.